Hi children, this is Swarnadeepa. This is my 5th video for chapter number 1, number system. Today we are going to see the properties of subtraction. Okay, so there are 3 properties for subtraction: closure property, commutative property, associative property. Okay, already we have seen properties of addition in my previous video. Okay, so for subtraction of integer we have only 3 properties. For addition we learned closure property, commutative property, associative property, additive identity and additive inverse. But for subtraction, additive inverse and additive identity does not exist. So so we are going to see these properties with a suitable example. Okay. Now I am going to explain closure property for subtraction with an example. So I am taking small a as minus 3 and small b as minus 2. Now we have to find out a minus b. So the value of a is minus 3 and the value of b is minus 2. Okay, minus 3, then minus of minus 2 is plus 2. So here we have different sign. So I have found out the difference for this number, that is 1, and the greatest number sign is minus. So minus 1 is the answer and I am assuming this answer as C. Okay, so what is a closure property? Already we have seen closure property in addition. So in addition it says if a and b are integers, then a plus b is also an integer. Okay, likewise here also if a and b are integers, then a minus b, that is c, is also an integer. We assumed a minus b, the value of a minus b as c. So here I have written c. Okay, if a and b are integers, then a minus b, that is c, is also an integer. So this is your closure property. Closure property satisfies subtraction of integers. So now commutative property. Okay, here I have taken a as minus 3 and b as minus 2. Now we have to find out a minus b separately and b minus a separately. So a minus b means a value is minus 3 and b value is minus 2. So I have written minus 3 minus of minus 2. So minus 3 minus of minus 2 is plus 2. So my answer is minus 1. Next I found out b minus a. So b value is minus 2 and a value is minus 3. So minus 2 minus minus 3. I have substituted the values here. Now minus 2 will be as it is and this minus of minus 3 will become plus 3. So here also we have different sign. So we have to find the difference. So difference of 3 and 2 is 1, but the greatest number sign is plus 1. Okay. But usually commutative property defines if a and b are integers, then a minus b is equal to b minus a. This is the definition for this commutative property. But here a minus b is not equal to b minus a. A minus b value is minus 1 and b minus a value is plus 1. So it is not equal. So this property does not satisfy subtraction of integers. So commutative property does not satisfy subtraction of integers. Already we have seen addition of integers. In addition of integers we say if a and b are integers, then a plus b is equal to b plus a. Okay, I explained you already in my previous video explaining properties of addition. So same thing we are doing for subtraction also, but for subtraction a minus b is minus 1 and b minus a is plus 1. So it is not equal. So this property does not satisfy subtraction of integers. Associative property. For associative property, already we have seen this property for addition. So at that time I explained you that we are going to use 3 alphabets for associative property. So here also we are using 3 alphabets. Let us take A as minus 3, B as minus 2 and C as 5. Now we have to find out A minus B minus C. and A minus B minus C. That is regrouping. Okay, grouping is different here. Here we grouped B and C together, and here we grouped A minus B together. Okay, now I have substituted the values for A, B and C. For A minus 3 I have substituted, and for B I have substituted minus 2, and for C I have substituted 5. So after that, in this step we have to solve the numbers inside the bracket first. Okay, so we are solving this two numbers first. So minus 2, minus 5. So both have same sign. So we have to add. So adding, I got 7. Greatest number sign is minus. So minus 7. So here minus 3, minus of minus 7. So minus 3, minus of minus 7 is plus 7. So I have written plus 7 here. Here we have different signs. So we have to find out the difference. So 3 and 7, difference of 3 and 7 is 4. Greatest number sign is plus. So here I got the answer as plus 4. Now we are going to find out A minus B minus C. Here we grouped A and B together. So now I have substituted the values minus 3, minus 2 and 5. Then we have to solve the bracket first. So I am solving inside the bracket. So minus 3, minus of minus 2 is plus 2. So minus 3 plus 2 minus 5. So minus 3 plus 2. Here we have different sign. So we have subtracted 3 and 2. The answer is 1. And the greatest number sign is minus. So minus 1, here minus 5. So both have same sign here. So we have to add. Adding, I got 6. And the greatest number sign is minus. So I got the answer as minus 6 here. Associative property definition is, if A, B and C are integers, then A minus B minus C is equal to A minus B minus C. But we found out the values for A minus B minus C and A minus B minus C. Here, see, these two values were different and it is not equal. So I mentioned here, these two are not equal. So it does not satisfy subtraction of integers. Okay, this property, associative property, does not satisfy for properties of subtraction. But we have seen for addition, it satisfies associative property. We found out in addition, properties of addition as A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C. We found out in that previous video. So if you want, you can see the video again. Now this property does not exist for, that is, does not satisfy or hold for subtraction of integers. So in this video, I explained you the properties of subtraction, that is closure property, commutative property and then associative property. So we came to the conclusion that closure property satisfies subtraction of integers, commutative and associative property does not hold for subtraction of integers. So shall we recall addition of integers here? Okay, properties of addition of integer. We have solved these three properties in my previous video. So let us discuss these two properties together now. Okay. So for addition of integers, closure property satisfies, commutative property satisfies, and also associative property also satisfies addition of integers. So we compared addition and subtraction of integer for these three properties now. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, click like button, and if you still didn't subscribe my channel, means do subscribe my channel. Thank you.